group of tiny fairies, each with delicate translucent wings that shimmer with bluish light, gather around a torn leaf hanging from a moss-covered branch. Some fairies gently hover around the leaf, inspecting the damage, while others prepare their magical tools, glowing silver threads that glisten in the light. With careful precision, the fairies begin stitching the leaf together, the glowing thread seamlessly fusing the torn edges. As the thread connects, a soft, radiant glow spreads from the seam, fully restoring the leaf to its lush green form. Fairies equipped with miniature crystal vials hover around intricately woven spiderwebs, glistening with dewdrops.
Welcome to the world of viral content. Have you seen those amazing videos of tiny workers creating miniature food? They are taking over social media, and today, I'll show you how to master creating these viral mini AI worker videos using the power of artificial intelligence. These videos are not just fun and mesmerizing, but they also get millions of views. Why? Because they combine technology, creativity, and a touch of magic that keeps viewers hooked. So why do these videos go viral? First, they are unique. Viewers love seeing something they haven't seen before. Second, they are satisfying to watch. The tiny workers performing detailed tasks is like a mix of ASMR and art. Finally, they use advanced AI technology, making them futuristic and impressive. But what are mini AI worker videos? They are short, creative clips where tiny, lifelike AI characters perform tasks, usually around real-world objects like food. These workers are created using a combination of AI, 3D animation, and advanced compositing techniques. Want to make sure your video goes viral? Keep it short, 10-30 seconds. Make the action satisfying and add a catchy, upbeat soundtrack. Post on multiple platforms: Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and use trending hashtags. These videos can be a great source of income. Monetize through YouTube ads, Instagram brand deals, TikTok's creator fund, or even sell custom videos to clients. You should create them 100% free using AI tools as shown in the start of the video. It involves just AI-generated video content, so don't miss any step. Hold the popcorns and let's start. Step 1. Generate the right prompts. You need the right prompt to get best results. Don't worry, prompt is included in the description. Just copy it from there. Open the ChatGPT website and paste the prompt there and hit enter. It gives you a detailed prompt step by step, including all points about fantasy forest maintenance. You can use this prompt by giving it command to write it in a unique way and about this topic. A good prompt describes everything in detail. After generating prompt for images, move to the next step. Step 2. Generating AI images. Here we are generating images from 2 websites using the same prompt to test better results. First, go to picleman.com and sign in using your Google account and click on Continue. This website gives you daily free credits for image generation. Click on the Create tab, copy the prompt from the ChatGPT website, and paste it here. Select the correct aspect ratio, 9:16 for TikTok and Instagram, and 16.9 for horizontal video, then click Generate and wait for a few seconds. Amazing image is generated. If image is according to your story prompt, just download it. Go to Google, open our next image generation website, leonardo.ai. First, sign in using your Google account. Click Continue. Agree to the terms of service and let's go paste the same prompt here. Select aspect ratio and click enter. After some time, 4 beautiful images are generated. After satisfied with the results, just download all images. Step 3. Generating AI videos. First, go to howtoai.com. Upload your image which you have just downloaded. Copy the prompt from the ChatGPT website and paste it here. Click on the button and wait. Outstanding video will be generated after some time as we are using the free version. Just download the generated video and test our other website. Go to Google and Google VO2. Checkmark both and accept. Sign in using your Google account and then upload the image which you have downloaded recently. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT website and paste it here. Select the aspect ratio and generate the animation. Magic happens and our video get ready. You just download it. Now you have to repeat same steps. First, by copy and paste prompt, generate all the images for your animated story. And then generate animated video by following same process for all other images. Once you are satisfied with your images and videos generated, move to the next step. Step 4. Editing. You can use CapCut for this purpose, but I am using Canva for editing my video as it has a lot of features. Just go to Google and open canva.com. Create a new video of landscape size. Now first upload all the images and videos from the download folder to upload section of the design. After uploading the videos and images to Canva, just drag them to the canvas, set them accordingly. Add more pages. Set 1 video or image per page. Set video as background. Here we give a twist to our animation. I am using Canva for editing because I am adding custom animation on the images which I included in my video. Set the image and videos accordingly. Add custom animation on images and zoom effect on some images. After that, add transition between pages, match and move, and apply it to all the pages. After all editing, we have to add music or sound effect on our video. So move to next step. Step 5. Add voice-over our sound effect. We are using ChatGPT for this purpose. Just give a command to ChatGPT to generate a music or sound effect prompt for our fantasy forest maintenance. It will generate prompt within no time, just copy it. And go to Google Open 11 Labs. Go to Sound Effects tab. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT website and paste it here and click on Generate button. Within no time it provides you with 4 samples. Just download all the 4 samples and move to text-to-speech for our story voice. Copy all our story steps from ChatGPT website and paste it text-to-speech edit box and select the voice. By testing different voice, select the voice for your story and click on the Generate Speech button. After some time, download option is available and you just download it. After downloading the speech and sound effects, you just upload them to Canva in the audio section and drag them to our design video. Now adjust the audio match our video length with the audio. Duplicate the sound effect and cover the whole video. After setting all, just download your video as MP4 by clicking the share button and then download and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Subscribe for more videos.